Well, I am excited to show you today this speaker by Macho Hun. This speaker is not only Bluetooth, but as you can see, you can also connect a mic system up to it, which is awesome. So we've got a couple different options here. Like I said, you can do the Bluetooth. That's going to allow you to listen to your favorite music, podcast, anything of that sort. Easily connects, bingo bango, no problem. Then you've got the option also, you can do an AUX connection, which is what I'm speaking to you through. And I connected my microphone set to the speaker itself, and then I just changed from the Bluetooth to the AUX. But I'll give you a close-up look of that. The speaker comes beautifully packaged like this, and there is 3 different options. You've got black, white, and orange. Nice compact size. I love though that it's not too little. I've got a bunch of the little tiny ones, but I like the bigger one. So on here, you've got the option for volume, bass, and treble. You're able to skip through songs, play songs, and you got this cool kind of retro looking power button. Let me give you a close-up look. So here is the very top of the speaker. That little button there on the left is how you switch from the Bluetooth to the AUX. Then you've got the forward and back for the songs and the play. And then your volume, bass, treble, and the power button, all in this awesome looking speaker. Really have great volume on this. Love the options. Really a sharp looking speaker. And very, very loud. I highly recommend, if you're looking for a really cool Bluetooth speaker, I recommend this one.